So yeah, if you're looking for a comfortable office or a gaming chair, then this is a really good idea. So these are the items that comes in the box. It comes with screw and Allen wrench. You do not need a screwdriver to assemble the entire thing. You start by assembling from the wheels. So you need these wheels as well as this attachment. So these are the first items you need. Let me unpack it. Then you can take a rod and put it inside. It should look like this. Make sure the holes are aligned. M620. Then you can use the Allen wrench to tighten it. After that is firmly fixed, you can move on to the wheels. You need no screws for this. Just press it down and you should hear a click. It's safe in here. Put it upside down. Finally, you can place this on top. And now for the pump. The black part goes on the bottom just like this. And move over to the second part, which is the seating area. As you can see, this has a lot of screwing areas and these are the items you need for it. So this is the M piece which goes right over here and here. And this is the lever system which goes right over here. As you can see, there's a front arrow on it, and on the chair also there's a front arrow. So they should align like this. So basically the longer part will come on the front. So this uses two types of screws. First one is MX30 which goes right over here. Next one is the short M622 screws which goes here, here and here. So basically this screws also need part V. So just put the V over the screw, then screw it in. Once everything is fastened, you can put this on top of this. Once that's over, you can move on to the next thing. So the screws will come under this. And you take the last item from the box, which is this. And there is an arrow on the piece to show where it's upwards. So basically put it accordingly. Then you use the last M6 screw, which is this one. And once that's fixed, you can close it, place it here. And now you need the M820 screws, which are the shorter ones. Don't forget the M bolt on this as well. Place it in these four corners and tighten it. So it should look something like this. Now let's move on to the handrest. The handrest should have these stickers in it, which means this is for the right one. You see this bolt on the sides of the chair? So basically U goes on top of those bolts. Something like this. And place the handrest and the last set of screws goes on top of that. Now you can use these caps to hide these massive holes. Just like that. Now get your leg rest and it should go in these two holes. Make sure the cushion is coming on the down part. And now for the last thing in this packet, which is the S screw. You need to put it on the right side of the footrest, and that screw will prevent it from being pulled out. So as you can see, it's locked because of that screw. Then you can just flip it like this to have the footrest. Now the pillows, the smaller one goes on the top and the bigger one on the bottom. And this is the massager which goes on the bottom right here. And the longer elastic goes through the hole. So as you can see, it's basically clips, and the shorter one comes through this hole and clips behind it. The massaging wire can directly be connected to your PC or your laptop if you want. I don't know if you can hear it, but it started to work. So there you have it. The chair is really comfortable. The massaging is okay as well. And the levers work great. You can go down. The second lever locks your backrest. So it can be either moving way or you can lock it so that it doesn't move at all. So that's the entire chair. It's really comfortable. The massager is actually pretty loud. If you're somebody who needs a really quiet room, then that might distract you. The cushioning on the chair is also really good. The armrests are really soft. The backrest, however, doesn't have a lot of cushioning, but it does take care of your neck as well as your lower back. Since I'm not going to use the massager a lot, I can actually remove it here. Then you can kind of tuck this away in the back if you want. And that's how it looks with the footrest as well. The footrest is not that sturdy, it's a bit wobbly, and personally I don't think I'm gonna use this a lot. The rolling of the chair is also really smooth. It doesn't create a lot of noise or scratches. This is the minimum height of the chair. This is the maximum height of the chair. I think this is definitely worth the money, especially the seating area and the armrest. It's a really comfortable chair. I'll let you know my further experience after 6 or 7 months of use. So yeah, if you're looking for a comfortable office or a gaming chair, then this is a really good idea.